In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a news website on Wix using Claude Build and Grow Guide 2026. We're going to keep this simple and practical. So if you want to set up a new style website on Wix and use Claude to help generate your blog content, this walkthrough will show you the exact flow to follow. To begin, go to wix.com and open your Wix account so you can access your site dashboard. If your site is already created, that's perfect. If not, make sure you at least have a site ready to work on before continuing, because the next steps happen inside the Wix dashboard. Once you're in, create a blog using a Claude prompt. The idea here is that Claude helps you prepare the content and structure for your news blog, so you're not starting from a blank page. You can use your prompt to generate article ideas, category direction, or even draft content that fits the tone of a news website. This makes the setup process much faster and gives you a clearer content plan from the beginning. After that, look to the left-hand side of the Wix dashboard. This is where Wix keeps most of the core tools for managing and expanding your site. You'll use this area to add the blogging feature that turns your website into a proper news platform. Click on Apps and then choose App Market. The App Market is where you can add new features to your Wix site without needing custom code. Since a news website depends heavily on publishing articles, categories, and regular updates, adding the blog app is a key part of the setup. Next, go to the search bar inside the app market and type in Wix blog. As the results appear, click on Wix blog to open the app page. This is the official blogging tool from Wix, and it's designed to handle posts, images, author settings, and the overall blog layout. Now click Add to Site. Wix will then ask you to confirm, so click Add and agree to continue. Give it a moment while the app installs completely. This step connects the blog system directly to your website, which is what allows you to start publishing news content. Once your blog has been fully added in Wix, you can copy the prompt or content you created in Claude and paste it into your blog. This is where everything comes together. Instead of manually building every post from scratch, you're using Claude to speed up content creation while Wix handles the design and publishing side. As you do this, make sure the content is organized clearly so your new site feels professional and easy to read. And that's the basic setup process for getting your news website started on Wix using Claude.